Welcome back to my channel. This week we're gonna do a big travel series because we're going on a Disney cruise. So if you keep in touch with my channel, you can see us from packing to getting on the boat to excursions and all that stuff. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, follow. My Instagram will be linked below. Her Facebook for her travel agency will be linked below as well. So if you want to book a trip, go through her. Yeah, we're gonna show you how we packed for the trip.
Because we are leaving a week early to go to Paris for a week, and then we have a Disney cruise. And we're going to actually be leaving from the U.S., going to Paris, then going to Barcelona. So we didn't want to have to carry around a whole lot of luggage. So we decided that we were going to attempt to pack in the packing cube. So we did order off of Amazon the packing cubes, and
This brand of I just saw it. Easy Fun,
Easy Fun. That's the brand.
and it came with
It came with a 6 set, so you have 2 different colors in the set, which is nice because if you're traveling with 2 people, one person gets one color, one person gets the other color. It's a way to keep your stuff separate and know whose stuff is whose. You get 1 large packing cube, 1 medium packing cube, and 1 smaller packing cube.
So what I brought on the trip was, of course, your essential undergarments, which includes, bras, underwears. I believe I brought 3 swimsuits. 4. This is really cute. It's Moana, though, from Hot Topic. And I brought also, workout shorts, because we like to work out, or attempt to work out. So I brought 2 pairs of kind of jogging workout shorts. We are going to participate in formal night, so I brought this dress. And there will be another video explaining what formal night and semi-formal night is. It's not mandatory, but I like to dress up, so I really wanted to. I brought a couple of Disney t-shirts. As you can tell, this is Belle, and this is a I brought, of course, jeans. It's not going to be super hot the week before, so it's going to be hot when we go to the ports, but the week in Paris before is 60s, so it's not super hot. So I brought two jeans and 2 pairs of leggings. I brought just shorts, a couple different shirts. These are my nicer, as you can tell, they're all crochet. This is a shawl. I recently really got into these. I love jumpsuits. So I have about 3 pairs of these, which are really nice to just throw on. You don't need to match different pieces. You just throw it on, and it looks good. But walking around the ship, shirts, and of course more shorts, including sleeve shorts and just nicer shorts. I also have a cover up. Okay, so now to actually pack, we're going to start with the smaller ones just because it's easier. And like I said, this usually includes your underwear, bras, even tank tops, night tank tops, swimsuits, workout clothes. So yeah, I'm just going to pack. Like I said, we did it in a bigger, normal size suitcase, checked bag. It could fit in your
Duffel
carry-on,
bag.
or more so a duffel bag. So I don't really have an example, but pretty much those longer bags, just because playing jigsaw or puzzle. I put this one flat, and then I put these ones sideways. So as you can see, it fits perfect with a lot of room. So in that room, I just have a light jacket, which honestly could have fit in there, but I just didn't put it in there. It's right in the side, and then I have my costume. pieces and my costume dress. Roll it up. It's right inside. And there's still a lot of room on the side for shoes, but we have shoes in our carry-on. And yeah, that's pretty much. Stuff like I said, toiletries. So we have medicines, toothpaste, of course, mouthwash, deodorants. We went to Bath and Body Works and got travel size, not shampoo.
Body wash and
Body
lotion.
wash, lotions, of course, deodorants and
Sprays.
sprays. I don't know, I guess some hotel rooms don't have body wash.
You know, normal, like,
Yeah.
stuff in case